What's up, cool cats and kittens? If you're anything like me, you've probably been wondering, how come none of the Disney YouTube creators have been making Disney dishes at home? It seems like such an obvious thing to do during these times. But nobody's done it. Not one single video has been made of people cooking Disney dishes at home. So I'm here to rectify that. But I'm not just going to start with one Disney dish. No. That would be too easy. We are going to do a full 3-course Disney dining dinner at home tonight. We are going to have for appetizers churros. Now you might say churros aren't an appetizer. I don't care. My house, my rules. For our main course, 3-cheese grilled cheese sandwich as served in Woody's lunchbox. And for dessert, pineapple Dole Whip. Now these are the 3 recipes that Disney has officially released during this era of isolation that we're living in. So those are the 3 we chose. Those are the 3 we're going with. Let's get started cooking. Right, so to get things started, we got a little water, butter, salt, and cinnamon all sauteing up in the saucepan here. Gonna mix that up all good, get that rolling to a boil to get things started on our churros appetizer. Right, so now we got that initial mixture going to a rolling boil. Next, we add a little bit of flour. And we're gonna stir that up real good, and that'll give us our batter for forming the churros. Churro dough mixed up there. It's got to rest for about 5 to 7 minutes before we're ready for the next step. So while that's resting, does not look very appetizing right now. Smells good though. While that's resting, we're going to do some prep work for the grilled cheese. It's got a couple spreads that go with it, so we're going to go ahead and whip those spreads up so that we can be ready to go to make the grilled cheeses as soon as we have these churros done cooking. And now we've got our cream cheese spread ready to go for the grilled cheeses. Larry seems to be hungry, investigating the scene. Right, so now we're gonna make our garlic mayo spread. Bang. Bang, kick it up a notch. Mayo. Garlic. And good little dose of salt. And you just stir that up real good. Get that all mixed up. Voila. All right, so now we gotta add some eggs to our churro batter. Stir everything up real good. Yum. Okay, so we got our churro batter loaded up into a piping gun. Now we're gonna push it down out into a preheated pan of oil. Let them fry up from here. Of the fryer now, draining off a little bit of that excess grease on the paper towels. Next step is we've got this sugar and cinnamon little blend here. We're gonna throw the churros in there, toss them up a little bit. Churros are done. Let's give them a taste. That's pretty good. Probably better in the parks, but not bad. Bone apple teas. All right, now we're getting ready to make our grilled cheese sandwiches. We got everything we need. Got cheddar cheese slices, provolone slices. It's our garlic mayo spread. And then this is our cream cheese spread. And then we got some fancy Sara Lee artisanal. It's French bread. So we're gonna get to cooking on this. All right, so we got our bread all set up. Got enough to make 4 sandwiches tonight. So first off, we go 1 slice of cheddar for each sandwich. And I'm gonna do 1 slice of provolone for each sandwich. Now on the provolone side, we're gonna spread some of the cream cheese spread. So there's your 3 cheeses. You got your cheddar, provolone, and your cream cheese. All right, so our sandwiches are built from the cheese side of things. So the next thing we're gonna do is top these bad boys. Now we're gonna put our garlic mayo spread on the bread. That's gonna be our nice little toast conduit, if you will. Dusty roads. Now I'm gonna put it on one side right now, and then when I actually put it in the pan to cook, that's when I'll throw some on the other side. Hi, Oli. All right, everything is ready to go for our main course. We have the 3 grilled cheese sandwiches from Woody's Lunchbox. And I just went ahead and threw some steak fries in the oven too, just to have a little something to go with them. Let's eat. All right, grilled cheese is ready to go. Let's see how we did. Bon appetit. That's pretty darn good. I think this is a winner. Good job by you, Matt. Jess, thoughts? Thumbs up from Jess. We did good tonight. And we still got Dole Whips to come. A little bit messy though, but good. All right, we are all set to make our final course of the evening, dessert. We are gonna make Dole Whips. Throw a little bit of that in there. We're at 4 ounces of pineapple juice in there, and about 2 cups of frozen pineapple in there. And then we're gonna blend it all up until it's slushy, pineapple-y deliciousness. So once again, utilizing the piping gun to get that beautiful traditional Dole Whip swirl. There you got pineapple Dole Whip, just like you would get in the park. Just as beautiful. I'm sure it tastes just as good. Let's give this sucker a try. Bone apple teas. All right, that's good. I feel like I'm back in the parks already. Mission accomplished. Good job. All right, we finished everything up. Churros for app, grilled cheese main course, Dole Whip dessert, and everything turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how everything went, especially the Dole Whip. I don't know, something about that flavor, as soon as it hits your lips, it's so good. It's really kind of gives you a little throwback feel to actually being in the park. That one kind of stood out more than the others. I think that was the one that probably was the closest to the actual flavor. I've actually never had the grilled cheese in the park, so I really don't know how it tastes compared to the park, but it was good. I did enjoy that grilled cheese. We'll probably do future videos cooking Disney stuff. I looked up a recipe for zebra domes and it sounded insane. I used to actually kind of be a sort of a professional chef, and it still sounded crazy to me, but that might be a fun one to do just to see how badly I screw it up. But stay tuned to the channel. There'll be more fun stuff like that coming. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. That button's gonna be right down here somewhere. Ring the little bell right next to it to make sure you receive all the notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos where maybe I burn down the house trying to make zebra domes. Like this video if you got time. Leave a comment down below if you have suggestions for what we should cook, what Disney park items you'd like to see us give a shot to. I'm always up for a challenge. But other than that, keep your distance, follow the teachings of Sting, and don't stand so close to me. Bye.